Good morning. This is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing, starting off with some sunny and pretty chilly conditions out there this morning, and overall we'll be continuing on a fairly quiet and dry weather pattern as we move through much, if not all, of the week. This week we will see a bit of a warming trend as we move over the coming days, but starting off with some quite chilly conditions this morning. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we see high pressure still mainly in control over the region, and that's helping to keep things quiet and dry. And again, kind of expecting that to continue over the next several days. Our next chance of seeing some rain will be as we get towards the end of the week during the day on Friday or into the afternoon, evening time frame. And right now, looking like maybe not a soaker, but a chance of maybe some rain pushing through the area. If we take a look at our current conditions this morning, just a few clouds around 25,000 feet, winds out of the northwest at 4 knots, temperature at 37 degrees, and our relative humidity is at 92%. Looking at the current visible satellite, we can see mainly clear skies or mainly sunny skies across the region, starting to see some of this upper level cloudiness filter into the region. And we'll see that trend pretty much continue through the day with just some increasing high clouds. Mainly for the most part. We'll see a few lower clouds as we get later into the evening time frame. If we look at the European model here, what we can expect the next couple days, again, pretty much just dry and quiet weather over the next few days. We'll see high pressure remain in control, not tracking any precipitation chances. We'll see winds turning more subtly as we get into the day on Tuesday, and that's going to start bringing in some milder temperatures. And then going into Wednesday, looking at some slightly breezy conditions, but at this time, do expect that to stay below that wind advisory criteria, and overall just continue dry and quiet weather across the region. So looking at a 24-hour weather risk chart for today, we have green conditions over the next 24 hours. We'll see our high temperature up around 62 degrees this afternoon. We'll see those winds becoming more northeasterly to easterly as we get into the afternoon. Peaking around 7 to 12 knots sustained, and we'll see more of a southeasterly component as the wind lightens up, moving into the overnight time frame and becoming a bit light and variable as we move into the early morning hours of Tuesday. We'll see our temperatures cooling down to around 47 degrees for Tuesday morning low, and overall, again, we'll see plenty of sun today with increasing high clouds as we move through the day, and then we'll see a bit of increasing clouds as we move through the overnight and early morning time frame with a chance of a layer around 3,000 feet moving into the area off the water. But overall looking good for the next 24 hours. Tides are running slightly below normal at this time in the next couple days. Partly cloudy with a high of 69 on Tuesday. Partly cloudy with a low of 56 Tuesday evening. And partly cloudy and mild for Wednesday with slightly breezy conditions with a high of 76 degrees. But overall, again, continuation of green conditions for our weather risk. That's going to wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.